Hello friends. Despite the progress in shipbuilding and navigation, accidents on the water occur frequently and for a variety of reasons. You will also see hurricanes and powerful storms in nature. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you all. Let's go. The tugboat Liberty went to the aid of the bulk carrier Federal Miramichi to Guernsey Island on the coast of Normandy in the English Channel.
Là, il est cassé. Là. Ça y est, il se casse.
On January 26, 2016, the 164-meter vessel lost stability in a storm and quickly drifted towards the French coast in the Bay of Biscay. A team of dedicated rescuers from Smith Salvage arrived at the scene within 24 hours and were able to prevent an environmental disaster. Watch the video of this impressive rescue operation.
Конечно.
Не-не-не, между дверьми. Не-не, между ручками внутри. Ага.
On the morning of 16th April 2014, the ferry MV Sewol sank while en route from Incheon towards Jeju City in South Korea. The 6,125-ton vessel sent a distress signal from about 2.7 kilometers north of Byongpungdo at 0858 KST.
Is
This is not the vessel army. Mayday, my vessel broken. My vessel, mayday. Army.
The chemical tanker Blue Star ran aground off the coast of Spain. 2 tugboats were called for assistance, as a result of which the tanker was successfully towed to the port.
Oh my god.
Oh, guys, we're gonna get some. Whoa! Get out of here!
Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up.
Back up!
No, the other way.
Jesus!
In March 2025, a powerful earthquake shook central Bangkok, causing a skyscraper to visibly sway as water from a rooftop penthouse pool cascaded down into the street below.
ผมคิดว่าไม่ผมคิดว่าหน้ามืดไงผมคิดว่าหน้ามืด
Safe to say, after an event like that, tourists might think twice before booking a room on the upper floors.
โอ้ยแผ่นดินไหวเนี่ย Okay. Yes, na. Okay, es ist eine riesen Wetterknuss, Mann.
This man's wife was filming as he prepared to launch his paraglider when a sudden gust of wind lifted him off the ground. Fortunately, he wasn't hurt and even managed to continue his flight.
Is he okay?
快住
Look at that! Holy crap! Oh my god!
Get inside! Get inside!
Shut down the door! Get it!
Get T, doing it.
Come on! Hey, get in here!
Go on, get in back.
In 2008, a powerful storm brought massive amounts of sea foam to the shores of South Africa. Onlookers were amazed as one of the beaches was completely blanketed in the soft, frothy mass.
Incredibile. Deci este absolut incredibil. Este un...
An Arizona driver ended up in an unexpected chase, not with the police, but with a real dust devil.
It's actually moving toward me. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Come on. It's coming toward me. What the heck? Oh, snap. It's literally following me. That's where I was parked at. Wow. Coming this way.
Mau tayo. Waram na.
The power of the eruption becomes clear when you realize that ash fell on a village miles away from the volcano. His self-control was remarkable. He stayed completely silent as an avalanche roared around him, riding out the adrenaline rush in total calm.
Neil! Wegwezen! Echt niet! Kijk nou! Holy fuck! Nee joh! Nee, dat meen je niet! Holy fuck!
Keep your eyes peeled. Lenticular clouds are a rare and breathtaking sight.
Oh! Oh, look at it. Look at the top. Oh my God.
When air temperatures remain lower than the water temperature for an extended period, the submerged part of an iceberg melts more quickly. Over time, this makes the underwater section heavier, and eventually, gravity causes the entire iceberg to flip. The wind is so powerful it sends the waterfall streaming upward, creating an illusion that defies gravity itself.
Oh, 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 hey, 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 ski, 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 ski. It's okay, buddy.
A farmer captured the incredible moment when a small tornado lifted hay into the air, spinning it around in a mesmerizing whirlwind.
That is awesome. That is weird, there's just a slight breeze here.
When the ground is above freezing but the air temperature drops below zero, needle ice can form on the surface. This phenomenon lifts small bits of gravel, creating a striking and unusual landscape.
How tall those are.
Off the coast of this Hawaiian island, the ocean is hotter than a sauna, thanks to lava flowing into the water at an average temperature of 1,100 degrees Celsius. You're looking at plants treated with a bromine-based compound, a reddish-brown substance sometimes used to protect against pests and diseases or to sterilize the soil.
No, look! What? Oh my gosh! Look! I can see!
Whoa! Oh my gosh!
Whoa!
Yeah!
Wait, zoom in. Can you see it?
Oh my god! Yeah, yo, look at that! Yo!
Woo! Whoa! That's so cool!
In this video, no one's watching the helicopter because all eyes are on the meteor streaking across the sky. A trip to Iceland is always worth it, But this time, tourists got extra lucky, witnessing a small volcanic eruption up close. Thankfully, we can witness a locust swarm from the safety of a screen, without having to stand among millions of buzzing insects.
A swarm of locusts. Ralph, is everything closed? Babe, go quickly. Let's get through. Oh my word.
The road is like
I have never seen anything like this in my life. Oh my goodness. Look, it's coming for like kilometers.
The road is only locusts. There's no gravel, it's locusts.
Oh my goodness.
That day, the people of China didn't need a warning to know a powerful typhoon was approaching. All they had to do was look at the sky.
Wow! No way, dude. This is like 30 yards away from me.
Meet the fungus gnat larvae. Hundreds of them join together to form a single wriggling ribbon that looks like one giant worm.
Gigante. That's the USGS crew up there.
¿Has grabado, Marina?
Sí.
Hortxe, hortxe! Ane, aurre, gehiago ez, Ane, atzeratu!
Ane, turno, atzerago! Onartu korko,
Al loro,
La 30 de metri tăiat. Mamă, uite cum arată cerul. Ce vorbești? Mamă, frate.
Ayo. Loh. Loh, man. Loh. Oh, man.
This is crazy. Their windows are screwed. Look at this. Jesus. Wow. Oh my God. Sorry for being late. This is unbelievable.
que salió despedida con los coches.
But yeah, anybody that knows me knows that this was going to happen. Yeah, Mom sent me texts going, you left me with a freaking out child. Get your ass back.
Oh, you have another
No.
The last tornado I saw was on your farm.
Yep.
I know, this is awesome.
Dad.
I know, I've got the camera on it.
Oh my god, it's a fucking photo right in front of us. I know.
If